Vandalism on private property. Comment below, let us know what you think regarding the subject matter at hand. Let's see, Caren Bautista asks, my son joined a group of young people who destroyed surveillance cameras of private houses and public sites. They were apparently being filmed by those cameras. He was arrested and the videos of the destroyed cameras have been used as evidence against him. Well, yeah. I mean, that's going to be somewhat cut and dry. However, we should talk about the charges. Obviously, there's probably going to be a vandalism charge, a violation of California Penal Code Section 594. That's something that could be charged as a felony or a misdemeanor depending on the value of the items broken. Generally speaking, if it's more than $950, it's a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison. If it's under $950, it is a misdemeanor that carries up to 1 year in county jail. There's going to be a trespassing charge, more likely, which is a violation of California Penal Code Section 602, which is a misdemeanor that carries up to 6 months in the county jail. There are probably going to be conspiracy charges, because if he did something together with a bunch of people under California Penal Code Section 182, that could be a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison. Now, here's the deal. I also need to know if your son is a minor or is he an adult. If he's a minor, well, then he's probably none of that stuff is really going to happen to him. He could still spend some time at a juvenile correction facility, but more likely he may be released on an electronic monitor, could be released to his parents, provided that his parents are considered responsible adults. Now, regarding him being an adult, there are a couple additional issues. Now, let's say he did this under duress because he was doing this under threat of violence, death, or serious bodily injury. Well, that would be a complete defense to the crime. However, if somebody just dared him to do it, that wouldn't be much of a defense. Also, it's necessary to know whether or not he did this for the benefit of a criminal street gang. If he did this for the benefit of a criminal street gang, there are additional enhancements that could be charged by the DA's office that could substantially increase the punishment here. Generally speaking, in a situation like this, another potential defense is would be based on psychological evaluation. If your son has a mental problem, or if he doesn't appreciate the consequences of his actions, or if he has such diminished capacity that he cannot assist in his own defense, that could be something that could be used to potentially dismiss the charges. However, he would probably have to go to a special hospital where he could potentially be getting treatment for up to 5 years. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677 on our next video. We're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was recruiting young people for acts of terrorism. Have a good day.